everyone. Let us consider one more difficult and little bit interesting question related to the same concept, Rain Man. Motion in two dimension, relative velocity in two dimension, especially related to Rain Man. As I told you again, same formula, VRM equal to VR minus VM. Nothing but addition of VR plus minus VM. Now here first understand the question, because in physics understanding the question always plays key role in solving numericals. So rain falling at an angle 60 degrees with vertical. So this is vertical, let's take, and the rain is falling, let's take VR. The magnitude you consider something V. It is falling at an angle 60 degrees with vertical, with a speed V. Oh, they have given speed V. When a man runs with a speed V by 2, now a man is running, Vm is V by 2. Along horizontal, find the relative velocity of rain with respect to man and direction of angle with vertical. So this is Vm means now this will become minus Vm. So this is VR, this is minus Vm, so this will become what? VRM. Let's take the magnitude is something V dash. Now consider that is making an angle alpha with vertical, because they did not mention that VRM became vertical or something. So VRM is something V dash I considered, and it is making some angle alpha, because if you increase the speed, the person velocity keep on increasing, then this will keep on increase, then this bending also will keep on increase. So it slowly bends towards normal, vertical. Then if the speed is more, then it may bend backward also, but it depends upon the velocity. Now let's take in generally. Now write it in vector form, VR bar. Take x component and y component. So along the x, V sin 60, because this is 60. So V sin 60 I cap and V cos 60 but minus j cap downward. Similarly, rain with respect to man, this one, that is V dash. So the angle is alpha with vertical. So x component will become V dash sin alpha I cap minus V dash cos alpha j cap. Now Vm is V by 2 along I cap. So this is the individual vector form. Now you substitute in this equation VRM. VRM equal to V dash sin alpha I cap minus V dash cos alpha j cap equal to VR minus Vm. So I term. So V cos 60 means V root 3 by 2 minus V by 2 I cap plus minus V cos 60, that is V by 2 j cap. Now if you compare both sides, both are same vectors. So I term and j term must be same, I coefficient. So V dash sin alpha should be equal to V root 3 by 2 or V by 2 if you take common, root 3 minus 1. And V dash cos alpha if you compare j term, that is V by 2. To find alpha, you divide this with this. So V dash sin alpha by V dash cos alpha, V dash cancel. So tan alpha, you will get the direction. V by 2 also get cancel, root 3 minus 1 you will get it, direction. What is this? Angle made with vertical. Now if you want to find the magnitude, square and add both the equations. So V square sin square alpha, V square cos square alpha. So V dash square if you take common, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha 1 equal to, here V by 2 whole square if you take common, root 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So that here V dash will become V by 2 into under root, this will become root 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 1. So 4 plus 5 equal to V by 2 under root 5 minus 2 root 3. So this way Sometimes the question may become little lengthy and difficult, but the procedure is same. Always take the vector form and try to take the vector addition or subtraction. Then the question becomes perfect and you can solve that question without any confusion. Thank you.